The first 24 hours of Australia's under-16 social media ban hasn't exactly been entirely smooth. Political reporter Isabella Tolhurst joins us now from Parliament House. Bella, what are the teens doing already to get around this ban?
Good morning, Emma. Well, the teens are clever and they have been finding different ways that they can circumvent these social media bans already. The ban has come into effect but is not quite working as it should. We're hearing that there's been some issues specifically around facial recognition technology. I don't know about you, but my phone certainly struggles to recognise me first thing in the morning sometimes when I try to unlock it, yet alone when these kids put in a little bit of effort. We're hearing stories of 13-year-old boys scrunching up their face and being identified as over 30, girls putting on fake eyelashes and lipstick and looking older than they are. Kids are also using VPNs to relocate their devices to other countries. And of course, perhaps the most simple, just using someone's face who's over the age of 16, whether it's a parent or a sibling. The government, of course, have said that these bans aren't going to work perfectly off the bat, that there is going to be some teething issues to work through. That said, these social media platforms have had quite a long time to prepare, so the fact that things aren't working as they should today, then perhaps they need to be having a look at the drawing board. Of course, the age verification comes in a variety of different forms. It's not just facial ID. They're also looking at things like your data and how you interact with those platforms. So if you've been talking about the under-15s netball carnival or your phone has suddenly relocated to Norway because you're using a VPN, those are things that the social media platforms will pick up on. Now, Communications Minister Annika Wells says that children aren't going to be able to escape the ban forever and that platforms will be continually looping back. They'll have to report to the e-Safety Commissioner on their figures and numbers. There's currently hundreds of thousands of people aged between 12 and 15 on their platforms, and they'll need to show that there's been a reduction in numbers. So not quite working as it should at this stage, but we've been told teething issues and things are sure to evolve.